Violators.
Low.
Violators.
Hello na.
Low.
Violators. Violators.
Bawal mag-clap ha.
Okay, let us give it up for Beverly Ray and
Silence! Mga bad girls. Mga bad girls.
Set me free. Let me live. I deserve to be. I want to live. For heaven's sake, have pity.
Uy, nangurog ako kamot.
Bad girl daw.
Galing.
Mama? Dada? Ladies and gentlemen, dear fathers and mothers, listen to my plea, listen to my story. I could have been the 17th lady president of the Philippines Republic. Had you given me the chance to live? Had you not deprived me of my life? Had you not taken away my privilege to be born? Some 11 years ago, a healthy ovum started to generate in the womb of a woman with 6 other children. My coming should be a herald of joy, a symbol of love incarnate. But to my mommy, it was a burden. A burden? A problem! An additional mouth to feed! To Dad, it was a mistake! An effect of mom's carelessness for not taking the contraceptive pills. One gloomy day in June, my unexpected coming was confirmed. It was a painful decision. I could sense the imminent danger. A small got inside the abortion room. I was an unwanted child. No one loved me. No one cared. I was a rejected being. A tiny love slowly formed into a human being with human soul. I was already beaten, and my love had already a unique mark. As I was holding strongly to my mother's womb, a splash of heat came over me. Ah! Ouch! I weep in extreme pain. Mom, why did you do this to me? Am I not the flesh of your own flesh? The blood of your own blood? The rubber suction caught my pelvis and the seriously twisted it slowly, cutting it from my body. I struggled for my life. 1, 2, 3, and the first part of me came out. Mom, why have you permitted this? Am I not Dad's pledge of love to you? Then it was followed by another rubber suction, sucking the other part, moving it with force. Ah! Why? Why did you do this to me? Am I not God's pledge of love to you? Am I not God's image you promised to love and protect? Then I felt shaken. Once, twice, several times. Until I do not know anymore what has been going around. I gushed forth my breath. Then came the final blow. My head, the abortion was turned as snow. I was totally cut from my torso. Total annihilation. gone